The sea is growling, the cliffs stand tall. A path of whispers, I hear it call. Feet on the earth, hearts in the gale, trekking on the fisherman's trail, step by step.
Okay, Labubu time.
Cecilia Fuentes.
This is
Hi, Flash.
Hi.
MV.
What was her name again?
Cecilia Fuentes.
Mario and Cecilia Fuentes. Are we ready to go?
Yes.
Fabio.
And Fabio. Vladimir.
No. Nein, it was something else.
Marcelino.
Sage Junior. This is Sage Junior.
Okay, all right, let's begin. It's 10 a.m. We're on the trail. To the right, to the ocean. To the ocean. Direct. The game changers. Let's see those gators.
Trekking on the fisherman's trail. Here's a stone, smooth as time. Here's a wave that speaks in rhyme. Here's a moment, frail but whole. The trail is stitching up my soul. Step by step, the world unfolds. Secrets wrapped in blues and gold. Where the salt and sky prevail. Trekking on the fisherman's trail. Trekking on the fisherman's trail. The sun sinks low, stars in hell, dreams are born on this winding trail. Trekking on, hearts set sail. Trekking on the fisherman's trail. Trekking on the fisherman's trail.
Sage is over there. I think so. Maybe. Here we are at Hostel Nature. Old school.
Sea is growling, the cliffs stand tall.
The whole shebang.
A path of whispers, I hear it call.
Oh, hi.
Feet on the earth, hearts in the gale. Trekking on the fisherman's trail. Step by step, the world unfolds. Secrets wrapped in blues and gold, where the salt and sky prevail. Trekking on the fisherman's trail. Trekking on the fisherman's trail.